Google is out with the Pixel 7 Pro and it is the right time to look at which one is the best Android smartphone. But don't you guys get confused with the specification, since the specs look quite similar except the big numbers on the Galaxy S22 Ultra and some exclusive software features on the Pixel 7 Pro. There are a couple of things we need to keep in mind while getting any of this device based on performance, cameras, battery, software, display, and most importantly, price. The performance is what matters, but the most important part of today's world smartphones are optimization, and Google is ahead in this game. Galaxy S22 Ultra is way ahead when it comes to raw performance with the benchmarks, but Snapdragon Gen 1 and the Exynos 2200 brings a couple of heating issues with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But if you look at the Pixel 7 Pro, it comes with the new Tensor Gen 2 chipset, which is not a powerhouse, but instead more optimized and power efficient compared to the Snapdragon Gen 1. Although Samsung beat Pixel 7 Pro in benchmarks, but keep in mind, now in real-world performance, benchmarks don't even matter. So if you're up for raw performance, S22 Ultra is still a best option for you, or if you want an optimized phone, then you should guys go with the Pixel 7 Pro. The cameras are where the two kings are competing, one with the big numbers and one with the software features. Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with 108 megapixel main sensor, where Pixel 7 Pro comes with only 50 megapixel sensor, but megapixel is not all, since image processing is the real key, where Google this time improved on the Pixel 7 Pro and improved on machine learning by 35%. But as for zooming capabilities, Galaxy S22 Ultra take a bow with its 100x digital zoom, where Pixel 7 Pro can only go up to 30x digital zoom with the 48 megapixel telephoto sensor. But Galaxy S22 Ultra come with two telephoto lenses, one with a 3x zoom and one with the 10x zoom, whereas Pixel 7 comes with only 5x optical zoom. One extra lens on the Galaxy S22 Ultra take the lead. But don't think Pixel 7 Pro is behind, since the software features you get on the Pixel 7 Pro are amazing, where this year you guys will now get a cinematic blur video recording on the Pixel 7 Pro just like we have seen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Although we all know Pixel devices are best in the game when it comes to mobile photography, so there is no chance for Samsung to easily conquer the best Android smartphone camera phone. The battery is what matters, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra will not the best option when it comes to battery performance. Although both phones shares the same capacity, 5000 mAh, then all come down to power efficiency, where the Galaxy S22 Ultra with Snapdragon Gen 1 is not good at it. But as per Google Pixel 7 Pro, it can last 27 hours on a single charge. But Pixel 7 Pro comes with a 30W fast charger, whereas the Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a 45W fast charger. Although the 45W fast charger on the Galaxy S22 Ultra works just like the 25W fast charger, as I already talked in my S22 Ultra video. But as per Google Pixel 7 Pro, it will charge 50% in half an hour. The software is the place where Google is ahead of Samsung. In Pixel 7 Pro, we get a couple of exclusive features like Unblur, Magic Eraser, and many more, which Galaxy S22 Ultra users will wish to have. And it is better optimized than the One UI 4.1. Pixel 7 comes with the Android 13 out of the box, where Galaxy S22 Ultra will come with the Android 13 update later. The display on the both devices looks great, although Samsung is already ahead in displays. The brightest display among these is 1750 nits, where Pixel 7 Pro comes with the 1500 nits only. Both phones comes with a 120Hz LTPO Quad HD display. The Pixel 7 Pro is slightly smaller at 6.7 inches instead of 6.8 inches on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The price is where both devices parse their way. Galaxy S22 Ultra come with the whopping $1,200 mark, whereas the Pixel 7 Pro started at $899, a $300 difference. But in some regions, Pixel 7 pre-order deals have Pixel Watch, which is worth $349, a deal everyone should have a look at it. Although S22 Ultra come with the S Pen, so if one needed an S Pen, they can spend an extra $300 on it. Google Pixel 7 Pro comes with some of the exclusive features, and one among them is exceptional, which you can check in this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.